Welcome to my second biology practice. This will be about the microecosystem. Hey, there it's me, stuck in the traffic, and as you may see, I'll be recording all the process. And first I thought, where could I get the materials? And then I remember there is a local market related to fish near my home, so there I went. I also made a small trip during the week, and that's how I got to this beautiful and amazing plant nursery where I obviously got my plants. They were all beautiful, but honestly I have to say that I'm not that good with plants, so I decided to go and choose those with simple and basic cares. So now let's see the materials I'll be using. The first thing is this transparent fishbowl that I got from the local market. I'll also be using rocks, and I tried to search for different kinds of rocks, and at the end I just got this too. I was a bit freaked out, but yes, I'll be using earthworms that I got from the local market. I ended choosing this succulent plant, and it was kind of impossible to say no to this beautiful plant. Also, in the fish local market, I got these fake plants that I found it super cool to add it. And after that, I was completely ready to film the process. I went to my garden, and that day the sun was shining brightly, and that made me super happy. So I started by adding some rocks. Teacher Gio told us it was great to start by adding rocks. This is to prevent the soil minerals to become dry, and it helps the humidity of the plant. At this point, I'm filling the fishbowl with soil, and I was using a pair of plastic bags because I didn't have a pair of gloves. I have to admit that I'm kind of new at this, so I was a bit nervous of breaking or hurting the plant while transplanting from the flower pot to the fishbowl. But I think at the end I managed to do it correctly, or that's what I think. And with this plant was even harder because the plant was way too fragile. And here I start placing the rocks in a way they look pretty. And I started with the white rocks, and after that I continued with the other rocks. Then I saw there were some spaces missing, and that's when I added the fig plants, and it gave it a cool touch. Now it was the time for it to be a real microecosystem, so I added the earthworms. And this was the final result. I was very happy to see how pretty it looked. I don't know why that day I felt very hippie, like in peace, probably because of the perfect spot, the garden, the wind, the sun, that I ended my practice meditating. And this was all for my second biology practice. I hope you enjoy. Love you.